You probably know more than the version of you from 5 years ago. You have watched the podcasts. You have saved the tutorials. You have tested the AI tools. You have collected advice from successful people. But here is the uncomfortable question. Why does your life still look almost the same? Because the internet created a new kind of procrastination. One that doesn't feel lazy. It feels productive. It feels like growth. It feels like preparation. But sometimes, learning becomes the safest place to hide from actually changing. So here are 5 signs you're collecting knowledge instead of building your life. And the last one is the reason most ambitious people stay stuck for years. Sign number 1. You finish a powerful video, a book, a podcast, a new AI tutorial. And for a few hours, you feel upgraded. You feel like a new person. But then Monday comes. Same routine, same unfinished goals, same promises. Because information can change what you understand without changing what you do. And that's the trap. Your brain starts rewarding the feeling of progress before progress actually happens. Sign number 2. Your saved folder is a museum of future versions of you. Every saved video tells a story. The business you will start someday. The body you will build someday. The skill you will learn someday. Saving feels like you captured that future, but collecting the map does not mean you started the journey. A builder doesn't collect 100 paths. A builder walks one. You feel smarter, but nothing changes. Sign number 3. Learning became your comfort zone. People think comfort means wasting time. But today, comfort can look extremely productive. Researching, planning, watching, optimizing. Because learning has no risk, no rejection, no failure, no proof that you are not ready. Execution is different. Execution exposes the gap between who you imagine you are and who you currently are. That's why your brain chooses another hour of learning instead of 10 minutes of doing. Sign number 5. Preparation protects your imaginary potential. This one is the hardest to admit. Sometimes we are not addicted to learning, we are addicted to staying unlimited. Because as long as you are preparing, your dream version stays perfect. Nobody can criticize a project you never launch. Nobody can judge an idea you never test. But the moment you build, reality gives you feedback, and that can hurt. But it is also the only way you grow. The internet gave us unlimited information. But maybe this generation's biggest challenge is not finding more answers. Maybe it's finally using the answers we already have. Because builders are not the people who know everything. Builders are the people willing to start before they know everything. So be honest. Which sign felt a little too familiar? Because maybe the thing keeping you stuck isn't what you don't know. It's everything you know, but never use.